Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix FORTNITE Festival Crashing PC. Chapter 1. How to fix FORTNITE Festival Crashing PC with compatibility. To start, open the File Explorer. After, in the C drive, open the Program Files folder. Here, open the Epic Games folder and then access at FORTNITE folder. Open the FORTNITE game folder. After this, in the Binaries folder, open the Win64 folder. Now right-click on the FORTNITE shipping file, click on Properties. Here, in the Compatibility tab, check the Run this program in compatibility mode for box. Apply the changes. The next step, right-click on the FORTNITE shipping B file, select Properties. Now in the Compatibility tab, check the box to run this program in compatibility mode. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. After that, right-click on FORTNITE shipping EAC. Click on Properties. In this window on the Compatibility tab, check the box to run this program in compatibility mode. Click Apply and OK. To finally right-click on FORTNITE Launcher, select Properties. On the Compatibility tab, check the Run this program in compatibility mode for checkbox. Save the changes. Chapter 2. How to fix FORTNITE Festival Crashing PC clearing cache. To start, in the search box, enter % local app data %. Click on File folder. In this window, select the Epic Games Launcher folder. Click Delete. After this, select the FORTNITE game folder. Click Delete. Chapter 3. How to fix FORTNITE Festival Crashing PC disabling display settings. To start, open File Explorer. In the C drive, open the Program Files folder. After, in the Epic Games folder, open the FORTNITE folder. Access the FORTNITE game folder. Now in the Binaries folder, open the Win64 folder. Here, right-click on the FORTNITE shipping file, select Properties. After, in the Compatibility tab, check the box, Disable full screen optimizations. Click Apply and OK to apply the changes. After, right-click on the FORTNITE shipping B file, choose Properties. In the Compatibility tab, check the box, Disable full screen optimizations. Click on Apply and OK. Now right-click on FORTNITE shipping EAC. Click on Properties. After, in the Compatibility tab, check the box to disable full screen optimizations. Save the changes with Apply and OK. The last step, right-click on FORTNITE Launcher. Select Properties. Go to Compatibility tab and check the box, Disable full screen optimizations. Apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.